Good morning, I'm Ashraf Boutahiri, mechanical engineer, and I would like to show you this exercise about sketch under CATIA. So this is my channel if you want more videos. Our sketch is this, it's a small size, and here under CATIA, before to start we go to options and to make a reset to all parameters, okay? Because if you use CATIA in some computer which is not yours, maybe you can face some parameters which is not comfortable to work with for you. So this is why you need to make a reset to this element to work properly, okay? Also reset here, and after that you go inside, for example, mechanical design sketch, and we go inside create exercise, my name, and then we make exercise 2 sketch, okay, click OK. We go inside shop, so here we have position of this toolbar. I need just to make a reset of positions, toolbar restore position, and I click OK, and I have a restore to these positions, okay. Close tools that I don't need, okay. So going inside this sketch, you see here small sizes, and we will face a problem with these sizes. So here we have first circle, second, third, and fourth, and this is the center of all these circles, okay. We are going to start with these circles before to go to another step. Double click on circle, and we go to define the size of our element here. So sketch tool is here. We define the first radius is 3 millimeters, okay. So this is the first radius. We zoom in, this is my bigger circle, okay. One more time, as I select the center here, I'm here in snapped mode, so I disable snapped mode, I go inside and I define first circle, which is 2.7, enter, and I have second circle. So third circle is 1.88, I have second circle, and this one is a radius of 1.58. So as you see here, I have a problem of this line is not well defined. So to resolve this problem, I go to option, and I go to display, and I show proportional to accuracy. Also for 3D, this is slower, but it will make the sketch better, okay, even if I zoom in, okay, even with small sizes, okay. So here I have my dimensions, okay. I just dispatch them because I will have some problems if they are one on another, okay. So this is our center of circle, okay, and from here to here we have this segment here, okay. So we put segment, we go to profile line, this, define a horizontal segment. When we define the distance between this origin to this segment, which will be 1.5, enter. This is our distance, 1.5, okay, from this center to this. After that we have a distance of 60 between this circle and this one. Sorry, we have 1.12, click 1.12, okay, and I have 0.6 between this center and this center. One more time, this circle is this small circle is 0.6 of diameter, which is 0.3 in radius, and we have two times, one here and one here. So 0.3 in this position, and the distance from this center, sorry, select this axis, and I say distance to this point is 0.6. Okay. So the second circle, same thing from here to here is circle of 0.3 of radius, and the distance between this axis, this segment to this point is 0.5, 1.5, sorry, like this. Okay, so what I need to make also is this line here, which is 0.45 from here. Okay, so I select a line, horizontal line like this, and I say this distance from this axis to this is 0.45, and it will become like this. Okay, and I need also to make some modifications. Also, I need a segment here to segment. The first segment is from this axis to this part here, from this center, and we need an angle of 30 degrees. Okay, and I prefer to have coincidence between this element and this circle. Choose to get coincidence. Okay, so now I need also that this point should be in center of this origin. Okay, coincidence also. Okay, so it will become green. One more time, I need another segment here parallel to this segment here, but like this. I need a parallelism between these two elements, parallelism. Okay, but I need also that this point coincide with this one, coincidence. And also I can say that I need also a coincidence between this point and this circle here. Okay, coincidence. Oh, so it become like this. I need to flip direction, cancel. I need the coincidence between this circle and this point, coincidence. So why it moves in other direction, we are going to see. So if I fix the distance here, distance is will be 30, because this is the same distance here, 0.3. Okay, and I will say that this okay, keep it like this. I'm going to trim it after. Okay, so this is a first vision. So here I have many things, many elements, so I need to trim them one by one. But here I have many details, so I can hide details here. Okay, so going back, I need to just to delete some items, to delete them. Quick trim, take off this part also. Just clean up to my shape before I continue. Okay, clean up one more time. Okay, okay, we keep doing like this. Clean up, clean up, clean up, and clean up like this. And okay, this, okay, okay. Clean up inside. Don't need this also. I don't need this also. Okay, let's zoom inside. I don't need this one also. No, neither this one. just to zoom in like this. Don't need this. Okay, so I need also to delete this one, and this one also, this one also, and this one also. Okay, and this one also, and this one. Okay, so also this, also this. I put just an axis. Okay, so this was a quick trim, but if I will put just a symmetry, I will miss some part here. So I need to go back. Okay, look. So before to trim, I need to put a symmetry. This axis, which will be my symmetry, before to trim. Double click, trim from here, and so on. Okay. This is my element of symmetry, like this. Okay. And approximately to this shape, I don't need this item, neither this one. Okay, neither this, neither this. Just clean up, simple cleanup, and also the symmetry will allows me to save some parts. Okay, don't need this, neither this, and I zoom in to get just the maximum of details. I don't need this also. Okay, also this, also this, also this, and I zoom in. Okay, okay, so this is a clean sketch. Now I need just to select everything. Okay, and to define constraints, auto constraint like this. If I want to see all the information, I have all details about my sketch. Okay, but my half sketch like this, 60 here. Okay, with the same format of my first sketch. Okay, here for example I have this distance. I can replace this one by defining that I need another dimension, otherwise I can go back. Okay, okay, so now I'm going to add another details. Radius here, and radius here. If you want to use this radius, okay, and this is also a radius here. Okay, and this is angle of 30. Okay, so now what I need to put, I need to put some corner here. For example, if I select this one and this one, and I define a corner here, just like this, I will just zoom in. I need a corner of 0.3. 0.3 make me a corner like this. Okay, also I need a corner here and here and here. Okay, with the same value. Okay, double click on corner from this to this. Okay, double click 0.3, and inside here I need also to define a corner of 0.5, 0.15. Okay, double click on it, 0.15. Also here, from here to here, corner of 0.15. Okay, and we need also a corner here of 0.15 here. Okay, double click 0.15. So this is my approximate my shape. Not approximate, it is precisely what I need. Okay, and after that I'm going to select everything, and I'm going to use symmetry on this axis, and I have my final sketch like this with all details. Here you can just hide this element here, and we have a final sketch like this. Okay, and also just we need to put a final radius here, corner here of L22. Just forget it to put it. Just show constraints 0.22 also here, corner 0.22, 0.22, and we have our final sketch like this. We can go to art design to use it as. Okay, so this is our element here. We can use some other modification to create this format here. Okay,